This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the Nearby Share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Then among the available control panel icons, find the one that says Nearby Share, so here it is in my case. Then touch and hold at it. In order to activate the Nearby Share, simply, toggle on the switch. And now, the feature is actually ready to be used, but there are still a few configurations that you can make, such as renaming your phone, or making it visible or invisible respectively by toggling this switch. While your phone or smartphone is visible, you can restrict its visibility to only your devices, only people from your contacts list, or not restrict it at all and let your device be discovered by everyone who is in range. And final thing that you can tweak is the data mode that will be utilized for the file transfer. So now the feature is all set up and ready to be used. So let me test it out. So let's say I'll send this screenshot from my other phone that I have on me. So here is the Nearby Share. So we'll wait for our phone to get discovered. So here it is. Tap on it. Then accept the file transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the photo to be sent and received. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.